If we went to kind of the current day and where we are with sports and technology, like in 2019, you can see kind of two main kind of areas where sports and technology kind of interact and are important. One is on the field of play, like during games and around the game experience, and the other is off the field of play. And I'll explain a bit more about both of those. I think it's kind of interesting to dig deeper into both. First, on one side you've got sports, on what happens on the sports field, right? Sports performance and how technology affects the before, during and after of the game day or the game experience, the match. So you've got the preparation of players, let's say, and their training, for example, now, which is a really kind of high-tech experience. Everything from their nutrition to how they train on the training field, preparing strategies or preparing physically for a game, the biomechanics of the injuries that players receive and how they're treated now. The world of sports medicine and sports science, technology is making huge progress in enhancing or optimizing the performance of athletes. If you go to the during the game experience now, we can see that everything that happens on the field of play, at the top of, we're talking obviously about the top of the sports, right? The professional level is monitored. So from player movement, the speed, the amount of kilometers they cover in a game, how hard they hit the ball, all of these things now being measured, okay? So that we can learn from what happens live during the game experience, right? And then afterwards that's analysed. So the post-game experience now, and for top athletes and top teams, is all about analysing what happened, right? And they have, and we'll talk about data a bit more later on, but the importance of this data now, which is generated around this, the performance of sports, is crucial in decision taking, and then improving the quality of the sports, the sport product, if you like, the game or the performance by an individual athlete. These days, technology provides that 0.1 second of difference between a 100-meter sprinter winning a gold medal or a silver medal and setting a world record. I mean, we're talking about very, very small now differences between these top athletes, and that difference can be made through technology. Technology provides that cutting-edge difference now between athletes or teams.